Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shantae and this is Beauty 10.0. Face, I'm going to take my e.l.f. smoothing primer. This stuff feels so good. I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me powder in 40 Darkness to powder my face before my foundation. Use a fluffy brush. This makes my face look so freaking flawless. I'm gonna do 362 and 355 mixed together. It's a vibe, it's a vibe. So now I'm gonna set it in place using the same Fit Me powder that I used to powder my face the first time. So we powder foundation and then powder again. Don't worry if my eyebrows are disappearing. I have to powder the area too, because if I don't, then my eyebrows are gonna look super oily. Can read like just a minute for this face. That's flawless. That is flawless. Now we're going to conceal using Makeup Revolution in C12 and C13. And then the powder that I'm using is Maybelline Fit Me Medium in 25 as well. Go-to powders. Maybelline Go-To Foundation. Now I'm gonna contour using to Control Freak. It's my Rary palette. Control Freak. Perfect bronzer. But underneath, I'm gonna go a little bit darker. I'm gonna go into Brownie Light. Back into Karma for the blush. Spray my face with my Mario Badescu spray for the highlight. Okay, so my highlighter, this is Maybelline, Milani highlighter in Golden Light, number 3. Back into the It's Already palette using Control Freak again. Line my lips using a brown liner. And for my lips, Maybelline Super Matte and Pioneer. The Super Stay Matte ink and Pioneer. So this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Make sure you subscribe and let me know which one to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.